What's up, guys? Crazy Black 108 here, and I'm back with another video. Today, guys, I'm giving you a look at some other Yu-Gi-Oh card unboxings. We're going to be opening up some Ghosts from the Past, the second haunting. I opened up some Ghosts from the Past, the original one that they did, like I think it was like a year and a half ago now. Those are, pretty cool. I kind of like some stuff I got. Didn't get a Ghost Rare, but today we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of this to open up. So, I mean, fingers crossed we get something, or if we don't, I got something for you. But if we don't, we'll be all right. I won't be all right. Someone else is all right, but, we'll be all right. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me for more content like this, or if you like other anime content, Star Wars content, and of course, the shoe reviews, please, go ahead and follow me on here. Let's open up one of these right now. So, what am I hoping to get from this? I'm hoping to get Dark Magician Girl, Blue Eyes, something light. Let's see what we got in here. So we got 4 packs, and we got 2 that have Dark Magician Girl on it, 2 that have Cyber End Dragon on it. Let's or Cyber End Dragon's the fusion. Okay, let's see what we can pull. Agent of Force Mars, that's pretty cool looking card. Despia Theater of the Branded, yeah, that's cool. Reptilia Egg, Vampire Sucker, Vampire Takeover. Okay, there's those. Opening up a Dark Magician Girl pack now. It's crazy how thin these packs feel, but it's because of how few cards are in there. So let's go ahead and do this one. Lee Raija, God of Archery. Tinya Spirit Ashuna. Well, that's pretty cool looking. Fallen Sanctuary. Fossil Machine, Skull Wagon, Malefic, Cyber End Dragon. That's pretty cool. I do dig that a lot. That's fun. We'll put that right there. Go get down that apple, Frank. Let's open up the Cyber End Dragon one. Or I keep saying Cyber End Dragon. Let's open up the Cyber Dragon one. And let's see what we got. So, without further ado, we have Performal Pal Miss Director. Film. The Executor of the Underworld Pluto, Albera the Jester of Despia, Shadow Vampire, and Yazai Evil of the Yang Zen. Okay, cool. It's not bad. I can't complain for what's in here so far. I got one card that I'm super excited about. The rest, seem kind of cool or whatever. There we go. There's got to be a way to pull on this pack without damaging the cards or worrying about damaging the cards. And let's see here. Thespian Comedy, Chiromatic Rampage Dragon. That's pretty cool. I like that archetype, I guess. Boss of Light, Jormungand, Boss of Eternity, and Tinya Spirit Adhar. That's pretty cool looking. Let's see here. Alright, so let's see here. Open up another box. Let's see what we got for art in this one. We have Dark Magician Girl, Archfiend Dragon, and a Blue Eyes. We'll say the Blue Eyes for last because maybe the luck of Sento Kaiba and the blue today will inspire the packs to work in our favor. So in this one we got 9 Pillars of Yang Zing, Sandwich, Rise of the Mega Monarch, Rose Spectre of Dune, and Vampire Sucker. I'm pretty sure this Rose Spectre of Dune is, Feral Imp. Yeah, that's a really old card. I haven't seen that card in a long time. All right, the Archfiend pack. I know what's on the pack really doesn't mean much, but it means something to me. All right, let's see what's in here. Rookie Royal Lady, Dramaturge of Despia, Ghost Trick Mary, Tinya Spirit Vinchita, and then Agent of Entropy Uranus. All right, cool. Nothing that I was excited about. And that's the other thing too. People may watch this video like, dude, you pulled you pulled this rare card. Okay, that's nice. But I'll find out afterwards. I'll look up how much they're afterwards. I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. Ghost Trick Stein, Tinya Spirit Shihana, Majesty Hyperion, Yazi, Evil the Yang Zing, and then number 60, Durgris of the Timeless. All right, cool. Well, Down to the Blue Eyes pack. Let's see what we got in here. Make sure the cards kind of sink down the pack a little bit before I just start pulling on it. And do that. Salaman Great, the Blaze Dragon, Vision Hero, Poisoner. Oh, that's cool. That's a hero card. Shell Knight, Mortar Shell, and then Redbeard, the Plunder Patrol, Matey. All right, cool. We'll put the hero card out over here because that can probably be used in like a hero deck. All right, another box of this. What I also find funny about these boxes, guys, if you remember anyone that collects Yu-Gi-Oh cards, you remember that the last time I did a box like that, what they ended up having was little holders to hold the packs individually inside there. No, they were like, no, we're trying to save money, live better, you know, good for the environment. Yeah. Sounds like excuses to me. Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting cooked. Vampire Sorcerer. Altergeist Failover. Number 97. DDD Durodon King Kali Yuga. That's a cool looking card, though. Zombie World. All right. Well, now that we've established that, let's see what's inside this one. This be a comedy. They're one of those Cyber Dragon cards. DD, Destiny King, Zero, Laprise, Ghost Trick, Mummy, Vision Hero, Vion. That's a cool looking Vision Hero card. That's dope. Keeping him right there. All right, Blue Eyes packs. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we can get. Sento Kaiba, Master Hyperion, Vampire Grace, Outburst Dragon. That's cool looking. Yang Zen Piranha, and then Tinya Spirit. Well, you know what I'll give is that like I haven't gotten many of the same cards so far, so that's been pretty positive experience for me. You know, I'll take what I can get. I'll take what I can get. Probably take Lepansian, Tatsun Necro, Crystal Beast, Rainbow Dragon. Yeah, okay. I mean, I vibe with that. Vampire Sucker and Vampire Takeover. I vibe with that. Let's put that on the 6K camera for the boys real quick. You see that? Look at that. That's pretty nice, man. That's a pretty nice looking card. That's an alternate art, is it? Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. Yeah, our Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon is different than just Rainbow Dragon, is it? Because now I'm yeah, because Rainbow Dragon is just so that's a different card. All right, cool. I didn't even know it was a card, to be honest, but it got me hyped because the name sound familiar, right? All right, so another one of these. Goodbye. Blue Eyes, Cyber Dragon. I did it right that time. Archfiend Dragon. Let's start there. I'm pretty sure that Archfiend Dragon is from 5Ds. Could be wrong. Ghost Trickstein, Tinya Spirit Shahana, Fossil Machine, Skull Convoy, Dotscaper, DD, Necro Slime. The thing is, I will say all the art on these cards looks pretty cool, and especially when you make it like holographic, it's hard to go wrong. But yeah, let's see what we got on this one. Ghost Trick, Scout Boss, Quintet Magician. Hey, yo, this is going in a deck. I'm telling you right now. Now everyone will be like, bro, that's not even a good card to like do it. Bro, I'm not doing in tournaments, bro. I'm doing at home trying to beat my friends, bro. Is that a problem? Let me be happy, bro. 5 spell guys, 4,500 attack. Come on, man. Come on, man. All right, Mystical Sand. Oh, look, man, another Cyber Dragon boy. Come on, man. Goes. All right, hey, it was a good pack, man. I ain't gonna trip. Let me put those right there. All right, let's see what we got in here real quick. Also, all these two were bought from Target or Walmart, so none of this was bought as like just a box flat out, so I don't know how that affects my pull rates and stuff like that. I know it does, but we'll see. Vampire Kingdom, Advanced Ritual Art, DD, Destiny King, Zero Place, Coco Trinium, the Heavy Metal Avian, okay. Fossil Machine, Skull Dragon, all right. And the last one from this pack, or from this box, let's see what we're cooking with. Salaman Great Blaze Dragon, Vision Hero Poisoner, Time Theft, Temporal Wall, Dark Contract with the Swamp King, and then Pendulum Area. Okay, that's cool, I guess. Okay, we're down to our final 2 boxes, and let's see what's in here. All right. So this one we got all the different packs. At least I think it's all different packs. I may be mistaken, but I could be on point. We're just gonna open this one up and we're just gonna go. Let's find out. Yeah. The Executor, the Underworld Pluto, yep. Ooh, Dark Magician, the Dragon Knight. I mean, you know, I already got this card, but it's a pretty good card, man. But Flute of Summoning Karibo. Hey, you know, it's a Yugi pack, man. I vibe with it. Golden Hair, the newest Plunder Patrol. All right, you know, whatever. But Flute of Summoning Karibo, man. I can't even do the Karibo sound effect. But you know one, y'all heard that, yes. You know, the spirits, they speak to me, man. My cards, we have a bond that can never be broken. My grandpa's deck has no weak cards, Kaiba. Okay, Void Cauldron, Vision Hero Gravito, interesting. Vision Hero Forest, okay. Mecha Phantom Beast Cult Ring, and then another Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon. Man, but look at that. Y'all can't really see that right there, but maybe you can. The quality is not what it should be. This card, though, I know was originally a Shonen Jump exclusive because I got it in Shonen Jump originally. So, open another pack and see. The Vision Hero cards is kind of cool because I don't really know what all those do, but I know the hero synergy is great. Retaliating Sea, Agent of Force Mars, Protector of the Agent's Moon, Tenya Spirit Adahar, Vision Hero Multiply Guy. Well, I've got a lot of the Vision Hero cards. So, I mean, like, at the end of the day, even if I don't pull a Ghost Rare, I'm kind of happy with what I've gotten, at least, to feel like I got some cards that I wanted. But when you go and look at how much those cards actually cost, you may be like, oh, wasn't worth it. Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon. I didn't get that. Did I get that one? I did get that one already. Well, okay, I got a playset now, I guess. Retaliating Sea, Fossil Machine, Skull Convoy, Ano Morika, and then Hela, the Gen Raider, Boss of Doom. All right, cool. All right, guys, we're on to our final box here. Let's see what we got in here, guys. Hopefully something good. If not, well, we tried, man. And then we got something for you at the end of this video. Again, we got a pack of all options. We're gonna put Blue Eyes and Dark Magician Girl last, Cyber Dragon, you know, here. We're gonna switch it up. All right, let's see what we get. Because if I don't get what I want, I'm not buying any more of these packs. Cupid Pitch, cool. Box of Friends, cool. Outburst Dragon, interesting. Plunderer Patrol Ship Brawn, cool. Chorus in the Sky. This pack was cool because I don't think I got a single one of those cards before this pack. So, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. All right, next pack. Let's see what's in here. This is our Cyber Dragon pack. We got Whitebeard, the Plunderer Patrol Helm. You got Puppet Queen. You got Fallen Sanctuary. You got Brute Enforcer. You got Majin the 10,000 Hands. It is something, you know. And again, someone's gonna laugh like, bro, Majin the 10,000 Hands is worth $10,000. It's not, but like, it's the thought that counts. All right, let's see what's inside this Dark Magician Girl one. Yang Zing Brutality, Dark Contract with the Gate, number 97, Code Exporter, DD Necro Slime. Our final pack. Heart of the Cards, guide me. But you know, Kaiba doesn't really believe in the Heart of the Cards, so maybe I should force the will of my deck to do what I wanted to, right? Vampire Sorcerer, Altergeist Failover, DD Destiny King Zero Lepre, Agent of Trouble Uranus, Doom King Ballard Roach. Not a single Ghost Rare. Not a single Ghost Rare. But shout out to the homie Darnell because, you know, hey, Mr. Bond, we got some Ghost Rares to show y'all, all right? So look, some of these is graded, okay? So he took all the ones I could get, obviously, because he opened up some packs, got these, and in the same, I know in the same stuff that he had, I can't remember exactly how it was, but in the same stuff that he had bought, stuff, he got 2 Dark Magician Girls, Ghost Rares. Look at that. Look at that. They gave him PSA 8s. I don't know why these are 8s. This one got like a little like speck on it right there, but this is an 8. I don't get it. I don't get it. But look at this. He got 2 of them. 2 of them. Come on, man. Like, share some of the rest of us, bro. That's great. Hey, well, he don't know though, is it? I'm gonna keep this right here. Keep it on me. No, I'm kidding. I ain't gonna do all that. But these are very dope. But then he hasn't gotten this one graded yet. But you know, in honor of Kaiba, we got the Blue Eyes White Dragon and a Ghost Rare. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at that. Right there. That's a Ghost Rare. Blue Eyes White Dragon. And then we got Dark Magician Girl. That's crazy. That's crazy. 2 of them? Come on, man. That's crazy. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. But thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate it. Thanks. You know, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the stuff that's happening. And, you know, I'll be around for more content here later. But until then, peace. I'll see you guys later. Bye.